How to sign in into EngageRocket Employee Account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this quick tutorial, I'll guide you through the step on how to log in into EngageRocket Employee Account. So let's get started. First of all, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in EngageRocket Employee Login and hit enter. Click on the first link in the search result. On the EngageRocket homepage, click on the sign in button in the top right corner. On the sign in page, enter your email and password in the respective field. Make sure your information is correct. If you have forgotten your password, click on the forgot password link and follow the on-screen instruction to reset it. Once your credentials are entered, click on the sign in button. You are now signed in into your EngageRocket employee account. From your dashboard, you can access various features such as employee surveys, feedback, and analytics. And that's it. You have successfully signed in into EngageRocket employee account. If you have questions or need help, please leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Hope you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tutorial like this. See you on the next video.